That question a lot. Why do people feel revenge? A lot of people take revenge to make me feel better. A lot of them do for the fun of it. I personally don't take revenge. I don't. If you do something to me, I pray you get over it. But some people they take matters to their own hands. But what they don't know is that taking revenge can shorten your day. If you kill that person, where is that going to end? Where are you going to end up? Now today I come to talk about why people take revenge. Next, maybe I'll talk about the consequences of taking revenge. Well, some people take revenge just because, let's say you killed my family, and then I take revenge and kill your family. It's bad. Just let it go. Let it be. People fight nowadays because of taking revenge. Honestly, it doesn't make sense to me. My home state, Louisiana, love it right to this day. This shooting, I don't know if many of you remember, they were taking revenge because of how many blacks were killed. And it doesn't make sense. And I ask day by day, why? But like always, people take revenge for no reason. Some people take revenge for no reason. Look, February 14th, 2018. A guy walked into a Florida school, shouted up just because he was expelled. He got expelled. Now that was an act of taking revenge. That in the mix of that, he killed 17 innocent people, injured four, I believe. I think he injured four people. People are still in the house, and just because of the fact that he took revenge. So guys, take this as a message. Take this as a learning. Don't take revenge because you may kill yourself or innocent people. Now, I would love to wrap this video. I mean, as much as I love talking about this particular topic, because some people take revenge off of nothing, just like the February 14th shooting. So, as much as I would love to spend time talking about this, I have to go. So until next time, God bless you. Woo. I would say let's go upstairs. I don't feel like drinking fun now you ask, what's the consequences? The consequences could be you shorten your days. Let's see, you can always, consequences, there's plenty of consequences. Look at the February 14th shooting. Not only is he shortening his days, he's serving time in jail. You could have just went on with your life. But no, he shot up a school. You think he was charged with 17 counts, 17 counts of manslaughter. Watch movies like that, but how people talk. But yeah, and there's a lot of things God can do to you just because you took revenge. If I take revenge on somebody, I could probably stop my toes and wouldn't even notice why. And then there's another reason why. God doesn't like it. I'm pretty sure that's one of God's top pet peeves, taking revenge. And if you disrespect that, some anything might happen to you. You might get struck by lightning out of nowhere. It's sunny, clear day outside. You walk outside, and the reason why I hate people who take revenge is that they think they get away with it. You may think you get away with it, but like we said in past videos, you may not get caught right then and there, but you will eventually. And if you didn't watch that video, go watch that video. There's a lot of messages in that video. And I don't like, cutting into videos, but I'm gonna tell you something. Don't do wrong. Because if you do wrong, you will get caught eventually. You may not get caught right then and there, but you will get caught. And that's why taking revenge is bad. And since these are just the top 3 reasons why. You give 3 reasons why not to take revenge. You shorten your days, that's one. You may not get caught then, but you will be caught later. And plus, you may not be, I want to say friends, not friends. You may not be okay with you. And you want to be okay with you because you want to be friends with you. And there's 2 reasons why. Because if you're in the hospital near death, Jesus can save you. If you were in the middle of a bank robbery and you were, going to go cash in your money order, next thing you know, bank robbery. You get down. He shoot everybody else. But you're not the one. No. He shoots everybody else. Well, he shoots, that he, sprays at certain people. Everybody doesn't get hit. That's God's doing. God deflects the bullets. Now, I've been praying for the last couple of days for those people in the hospital. And if you have family members near that town, I will pray for them. And like I said, these are the reasons why you don't want to take revenge. I personally don't take revenge. Well, actually, no. Actually. So, like I said, guys, don't. So, that's all I have to say. But other than that, I just want to say, y'all stay out of trouble, and God bless you.